How's it going, everyone? Brian Hoops here with Midwest Market Solutions, Market Insider TV commentaries Monday morning. It is November the 13th. Hope you had a great weekend, and thanks for joining us here this morning. We are looking at mostly lower grain prices. We tried to start higher in the overnight and could not sustain these gains, and that's going to be the trouble going forward here. We've got so much supply of corn and soybeans, it's going to be very difficult to sustain any gains here in these grain markets. Now, I do expect and hope that we will see a little bounce here from now into the first part of January. Producers selling should be pretty light, but basis levels hopefully will improve enough that we'll be able to make some cash sales and do some marketing, but not going to be at great price levels, I'm afraid. In fact, soybeans threatening to break their uptrend. And if they haven't already, that could be bearish for this market as we see prices likely to move lower. Now, South American weather is not quite ideal, but we did have 1 to 3 inches of rain across Brazil over the weekend and parts of northern Argentina. Now, it's still dry in southern Argentina, and that could attract some buying interest, and hopefully that's enough to give us a rally here in this market. But again, if you're a producer holding some cash inventories, I think you really have to look at rallies here in corn and soybeans, even 10, 15 cents for both these commodities as an opportunity to make some sales, or at least put yourself in a position where you make some sales here. So, we've had a rally since early August in the soybean market, well off of our lows. We're, close to $1 in most of the contracts. You don't want to let that rally slip away. And watch it to turn back lower without making any sales or merchandising some soybeans on this rally, because the risk is we go back to those lows that were charted in June, July, and August. They're all roughly in the same area, within a few pennies of each other, those lows, and that's where our risk is in the month of January and February if we have a big South American crop. Right now there's a little uncertainty, and you want to use that uncertainty to go ahead and make sales into that time frame. It looks like we're going to be kind of quiet to lower here in the grains for the most part. Soybean meal sale, 135,000 metric tons to the Philippines. Other news, pretty quiet. We're looking for a crop progress this afternoon to show a corn harvest maybe 80 to 83% done. Soybean combining should be virtually complete, 95% done. Winter wheat plantings, 85% complete, and conditions should improve maybe 1% in the good to excellent category. Livestock trade looks mixed and two-sided. We're probably going to end a little bit softer in here. Cattle and feeds coming out on Friday. We're looking for like around 105 on feed and 106 placements, 106 marketings with one extra marketing day. So not really a bullish report coming up by any means. That means if we get some rallies, I think we will see some selling interest going forward. Have a great day. Good luck, good trading. We hope to talk to you soon. Brian Hoops, Midwest Market Solutions, and we'll talk to you soon.